How do we make coffee on Shabbat? On Shabbat, you know that one is not allowed to cook. When a person takes the coffee, he puts it in a cup and he pours hot water on it. Is that cooking? So we need to know a few halachot concerning that. First of all, cooking is only on Kli Rishon. Kli Rishon means the urn that's sitting, that's considered Kli Rishon. It's connected to the wall, and then the water in that urn, all the water in that urn is considered Kli Rishon. Kli Rishon is something that's considered something you could cook, is mevashel. Not only Kli Rishon, also pouring from Kli Rishon is something that able to cook. And therefore, if I take a cup and I put in there the coffee, and I put that cup by the urn, and I spill the water from the urn into the cup, those coffee beans inside will be cooked, and therefore that's something that's asur. The pouring of hot water from Kli Rishon cooks on the shell. It's called Kildei Klipa. It cooks a little bit, and even that is something that's not allowed on Shabbat. So what should a person do when he has such coffee beans that were not cooked before? He should put them in a Kli Sheni, which means you have over here the urn, you have another empty cup that you're pouring into that cup hot water, and that is Kli Sheni. And now you have a third cup that over there you put the beans that we're talking about, the coffee beans, and from here you pour into here, and you have yourself the third cup over here that is absolutely fine without any questions. Today, coffee, all instant coffee, is already pre-cooked, and therefore you have much more leniency in that, because when you have something that was pre-cooked, the concept of en bishul achar bishul applies, which means you can't cook something that was cooked already, and that was cooked already, and therefore it would be mutar to actually put the beans inside the cup and pour straight from the water in them. Why? Because those instant coffee that goes in the cup, it was cooked already, and you can't recook it. There is a chumrah that if somebody wants to apply of Rabbi Kiva, and he says that since the instant coffee becomes liquid instantly when you pour the water on it, so it has a din of a liquid. A liquid, we hold la halacha that yesh bishul achar bishul, you can recook, and therefore if you put that cup right by the urn and the water spills right away on it, it melts the instant coffee right away, that becomes a liquid, and therefore that continues cooking it while it's on the cup, and that would be forbidden according to that opinion of Rabbi Kiva. And therefore, wants to be careful with that as well. He does the technique we said before. Pour from the urn into an empty cup, and then from that empty cup, pour to the second cup that has the beans of coffee inside, or the instant coffee inside, and then you don't have any question, and that would be the permissible way to make coffee on Shabbat.